These atrocities is terrible.
Atrocious,
I am grateful to all my India team's leaders.
I am grateful to
Sonia ji
all
rang up
my
me.
India team's
Rahul
leaders.
Gandhi rang up me. Arvind
Sonia
Kejriwal,
ji rang up me.
Uddhav Thackeray, Akhilesh Yadav,
Rahul Gandhi rang up me.
Tejoshi, Hemant Soren,
Arvind
Jharkhand Chief
Kejriwal,
Minister, all the allies
Uddhav
of United
Thackeray,
India Alliance, Indian Alliance.
Akhilesh Yadav,
They said we are totally, absolutely with you.
Tejoshi,
I think our solidarity will be united and strong
Hemant Soren
for the
Yadav,
next days.
Jharkhand Chief
Akhilesh
Minister,
requested me to come
all
today
the
itself,
allies of
but I said you come better
United
tomorrow.
India Alliance,
So he's coming tomorrow.
Indian Alliance,
And one by one, everybody will come.
they said
And then
we are
I told you
totally
that my
absolutely
target is
with
very
you.
clear. I will stay
I think our
India
solidarity will be united and
just like a
strong.
small person. And now I don't
For
have any
the
chair,
next
so I am a
days.
commoner.
Akhilesh
So cannot
requested me to come
Tell me
today
that I am
itself,
using your chair.
but
I
I
am
said
now
you
free
come
bird.
better tomorrow.
I gave full life for service
So he's coming tomorrow.
to the people.
And one by one everybody will come.
Even these 15 years, I have not withdrawn
and
one
then
paisa
I
of pension.
told you that
Or
my
the-
target is very clear.
I have not taken
I
one
will
paisa of salary
strengthen
also.
the India
But
team
now I am free bird. So
just like a small person.
I have to do some
And
work.
now I don't have any
That I will
chair,
manage to
so
do.
I am a commoner.
And our party will see
So
they
you
started
cannot
torturing all of our people. Even
tell me
scheduled caste, scheduled tribes, they are not
that
spared.
I am using your chair.
One little girl is working
I
with
am
me.
now free bird.
Scheduled caste family. Her family was
I
brought
gave
last night.
full life for
He
service
is having one daughter. They have their daughter-in-law, newly
to
married.
the people.
BJP said we will rape you. And her
Even this 15
father,
years I have not withdrawn
grandma
one paisa of
is about
pension
92 years old. She became ill,
or the.
but they are not allowed to take water, even drinking water.
I have not
From the
taken
outside.
one paisa of
From
salary
Bhangor to
also.
Barasat to Degonga
But
to
now I am
Kolkata,
free bird.
Kolkata to North Bengal to Jungle Mahal, so all area, South Bengal to North Bengal, Bardhaman to Birhum. BJP, along with Gus,
some work
started atrocities,
that I will
and
manage
they
to do it.
think that
And our
some people
party
may go for their
will
bindings,
see
but heartily they are not.
they started
And please
torturing
remember
all
that.
of our people.
Police is totally inactive. আমরা যখন
Scheduled
প্রথম
caste,
জিতেছিলাম,
scheduled tribes.
আমি
They
বলেছিলাম
are not
কারো উপর
spared.
যেন কোনো অত্যাচার না হয়, বদল চাই, বদলা নয়।
One little
আমরা কিন্তু
girl is
সিপিএম এর একটা
working
পার্টি
with
অফিসে হাত
me.
দিইনি, আমরা কোনো অত্যাচার করিনি।
Scheduled caste
আমি
family.
রবীন্দ্রসঙ্গীত আর নজরুল গীতি গাইতে দিয়েছিলাম।
Her
আর 3
family
দিন ধরে
was ground
বিজেপি যে
last
অত্যাচার
night.
করছে, সিআরপিএফ, এটা জওয়ানস বাহিনী
She is
না গুণ
having
বাহিনী?
one daughter. They have their
আমি আমার নিজের
daughter-in-law.
কনস্টিটিউয়েন্সিতে দেখেছি আমার অভিজ্ঞতা।
Newly
100 জনকে
married.
মেরে তাড়িয়েছে যারা জিতছিল।
BJP said
এবার
we will
আপনাদের আমি
rape
বলি,
you.
আপনাদের একটা রোল সম্বন্ধে আমাদের অভিযোগ আছে। You may
And
accept me
her
not. After first round, you
father,
started saying BJP is getting 200,
grandma
195. You didn't wait up to the final result.
is about
Even you didn't
92
wait
years
to see
old.
the 5 rounds, 6 rounds.
She became ill.
And after that campaigning
But
with the press media,
they are not
The
allowed
BJP
to
went to
take
the inside of the
water,
polling
even
station.
drinking water.
and they started beating
From
the
the
people,
outside.
beating the counting agents.
From
When I came to know all
Bhangor
the
to
counting agents
Barasat,
are withdrawn. That time I was
Barasat
leading
to
about 13,000
Degonga,
and my 5
Degonga
round
to
was
Kolkata,
left out. And that
Kolkata
round is also my
to
ward and
North
bobbing
Bengal,
ward. We should have get
North
more than
Bengal to
30,
Jungle
2,000.
Mahal, all
Then
area, South
The
Bengal
candidate
to
BJP
North Bengal.
itself
Bardhaman
went there
to
inside
Birhum.
along with 200 CRPF
BJP
and 200 outsiders
along
goon.
with goons
And then they beaten our people.
started atrocities.
The women were not spared.
And they
snatched
thought
all the
that
17C form. When I
Some
came to know, I
people
started
may
going there.
go
First
for
they
their
stopped my car.
bindings.
the Jogu Bazar area. But I moved from the other
Hardly
way.
they are not.
When I entered, the CRPF
And
said, no, you are
please
not allowed to
remember
go.
that.
I said, I am a candidate. You are not allowing
Police
me.
is
You are not
totally
allowing our candidate, our
inactive.
agent. So it is going on
আমরা
one-sided.
যখন প্রথম
Then
জিতেছিলাম
written I complained to RO
আমি
that it
বলেছিলাম
should be stopped
কারো
counting right
যেন
now
কোনো
until
অত্যাচার
unless
না
the
হয়।
restoration is over. Restoration normal
বদল চাই বদলা
restored.
নয়
Then Randhir
আমরা
came.
কিন্তু সিপিএম এর একটা
I told
party
Randhir,
office
the
এ
DO.
হাত দিইনি আমরা
I know
কোনো
he gave a
অত্যাচার
message to
করিনি।
somebody before 15 days
আমি
ago.
রবীন্দ্র
ये चुनाव
সঙ্গীত আর
counting में
নজরুল
खेल
গীতি
होगा.
গাইতে
That I am
দিয়েছিলাম।
having with me.
আর
I told
3
him,
দিন ধরে
can you do like this?
বিজেপি যে
Even nobody is from the our side.
সিআরপিএফ
My official
এটা
agents are not allowed. I am not
বাহিনী
allowed.
না গুণ
I went
বাহিনী?
inside for few minutes. They kicked me
আমি
in
আমার
my belly,
নিজের কনস্টিটিউশন
They
দেখেছি
kicked me
আমার অভিজ্ঞতা
in my backside, and
100
they
জনকে
abused,
মেরে
physically
তাড়িয়েছে।
manhandled,
যারা জিতছিল।
assaulted. And
এবার
you cannot
আপনাদের
imagine
আমি
what
বলি,
happened because that
আপনাদের
time
একটা
CCTV
রোল
was
সম্বন্ধে আমাদের
off.
অভিযোগ আছে
So far I know. I have seen
you
the
may
CCTV footage
accept may not
from inside the room.
after first
Then I was
round
sitting there,
you
I said,
started saying BJP
Unless
is
and
getting
until the
200
counting is started,
195
the normals is restored, I will sit
you
here as a
didn't
candidate.
wait
I have seen the
up
data
to the
bank area.
final result
All the BJP candidates
Even
and with
you
200
didn't
votes,
wait
they are operating the
to
data.
see the 5 round
Then-
6 round
They just thrust
and
me,
after
throw me
that
out from the counting
campaigning
station.
with the press
धक्का देके
media
देके मार के निकाला.
the BJP went to
As
the
a woman,
inside of the
I
polling
feel
station
It is not only the insultation,
and they
I am as a
started
human
beating
being,
the people
how they misbehave
beating
with
the
me.
counting agents.
So I can guess the other
when I
candidates,
came to
how
know
they are
my
being
all
tortured.
the counting
And the
agents are
workers.
withdrawn. That
Party
time I
is
was
solidly
leading
with
about
them.
13,000
And all the United India
and
leadership,
my 4
they are also together.
5 round
We will
was
bounce back, we will fight this
left
battle.
out.
But whatever
And
this
that
government of
round
India's
is
direct
also my ward
interference
and Bobby ward. We should have
and
get more
to
than
control the
30
autocrat system,
2,000.
to finish the democratic system, the murder of
candidate
brutal murder of
BJP
democracy.
Itself
In this line, they
went
won
there
in Maharashtra,
inside along
in
with
Bihar,
200
in Haryana,
CRPF
and other states.
and 200
They were
outsiders
not able
goon.
to fight it out. But we fought
And
it
then
just like
they
a tiger.
beaten our people.
And we will fighting. And we will be fighting.
Even
All we are together.
the women were
They are
not
insisting so many
spared,
our workers to join BJP.
and they snatched
I don't mind
all
for that.
the
For their safety, they
17
may.
seat form.
Today they will be, tomorrow they may not.
When I came to
So
know,
now we have
I
decided that
started going
against
there.
of election commission or
First
the
they stopped
uh,
my car
what mechanism
in
they
the
have
Jogubazar area.
used.
But I moved
Our strategy
from
we will
the
not
other
let you
way.
know now. That we will discuss later on.
When I
We are
entered,
taking action.
the CRPF
what
said,
action?
no, you are not
That
allowed
required
to go.
discussion.
I said, I
That's
am
why
a
our
candidate.
confidential strategy
You
we
are
are
not
not going to
allowing
disclose.
me.
This is
You
number
are
one.
not allowing
Number
our
two,
candidate, our agent.
we have decided to set up a
so
fact-finding
it is
committee
going on one-sided.
with 10 members,
Then
along with 5
written I
MPs
complained to
and
RO
others. They will
that
visit
it
all
should
the
be
tortured
stop
area.
counting right now.
Even they captured all of our party
until
offices.
unless
Even
the
they went to capture
restoration is
Trinamool
over.
Bhavan, our headquarters also
Restoration
yesterday.
normal CSB restored.
In Abhishek's
Then
office also,
Randhir came.
they started this
I told Randhir, the DO,
big biting and all this.
I know he
Stone
gave
biting,
a
big
message
biting, what
to
was-
somebody before 15 days ago. ये चुना काउंटिंग में खेल
big
होगा.
batting.
That I am having
Big
with
batting.
me. I told him, can you do like this?
They should have realized
Even
that if you want
nobody is
forcefully
from
also,
the
there is a system.
our side.
We have enough members.
My
Along with us.
official agents are
They
not
are elected.
allowed. I am not allowed.
You
I
cannot
went
start torture
inside
like this.
For few
if you
minutes,
torture with the people,
they kick
along
me
with my
in
all
my
the party
belly,
workers
they
and the others,
kick
all community,
me
caste, creed,
in
religion.
my backside,
Please understand,
and they
when you won't be
abused,
powered at
physically
center,
manhandled,
within a day,
assaulted,
you have to face the same battle. History will repeat
And
itself.
you
It's a black
cannot
history what
imagine
happened for
what
Bengal
happened
yesterday.
because that time
We condemn the
CCTV
attitude
was
of the villain election commission.
biased. So far I know, I have
He has
seen
done
the CCTV
everything.
footage
Even we came to know, I do not know whether we
From
are sure or not, we are collecting
inside
information.
the room.
The message came to us
Then I was
from his
sitting
control
there. I
office.
said,
Delhi.
unless
hijacked
and
the counting center
the
also.
counting is started.
This is most unfortunate.
The normal
This is not only unfortunate. I think that
as a
this message
candidate.
should go to everywhere,
I have seen the data bank area.
so that people of
all the
our
BJP
people are staying all over
candidates
the world.
and with 200
Let the message
goons,
should go to the people.
they are operating
So let
the
them
data.
know the atrocities.
Then
ওরা এমনি জিতলে আমার কোনো
they
অভিযোগ
just
থাকতো না।
trust me,
জিততেই পারে,
thrown
নির্বাচনে
me
হার জিত আছে।
out from the counting station.
কিন্তু সেটা তো নয়, আমরা তো
ধাক্কা
হারিনি।
দেখে দেখে
জোর করে
মারকে
forcefully
মারকে
capture করেছে
নিকালা।
টোটালটা। যখন আমরা প্রায় 200টা সিটে এগিয়েছিলাম,
As a women, I
একতরফা
feel
মিডিয়ার ক্যাম্পেইনের পরে ওরা স্টার্ট করেছে
it is
torturing
not
বাইরের
only
লোকদের।
the
And CRPF just
insultation.
like goons. Every counting
I am
center,
as a
they
human
didn't
being,
allow the press media.
how they behave,
They didn't allow the
misbehave with
CCTV
me.
footage. They didn't allow the
So I
candidate to
can
go
guess
enter.
The other
How they
candidates,
misbehave.
how they are being tortured.
We don't have any respect for them. I'm sorry.
And the
The
workers.
central forces can behave like this.
Party
I have never
is
seen.
solidly with
I have
them.
seen Rajiv Ji's
And
government,
all the United
I have seen
India leadership.
Manmohan Ji's government.
They
I
are
have seen
also
Atal Ji's
together.
government. I have seen
We'll
Vishnu Pratap Ji's
bounce
government.
back.
I have seen Devgura Ji's government. I have seen
But
I.K. Gujral Ji's
whatever
government.
this government of India
I have seen
direct
the others also.
interference.
But I have never seen this type of atrocities. It is atrocious,
And
terrible.
To
There is no limit
control
of
the
atrocities.
autocrat system.
If it is going on, I think their image will
To
be.
finish the
washed.
democratic
It is already.
system.
They cannot
The
show their
murder
face.
of
It
brutal
is not the
murder
proper
of
way of
democracy.
democracy. Democracy, there is a
In
courtesy.
this line, they want
forgotten
in
the courtesy.
Maharashtra,
Torturing the people.
in Bihar,
And
in
what do you want?
Haryana,
That only one party rule.
and
We
other
rule the
states.
country. No opposition, nothing.
They were
Nobody.
not able to fight it out.
So this I
But
want to
we
say
fought it
to all of
just
you on
like a
record.
tiger.
And parties
we will
already we are
fighting.
solidly together.
And we will be fighting.
All the party leaders are
All
working
we are
together.
together.
Though they are being tortured,
They are
being
insisting
attacked,
so many
their
of
house is
our
being
workers
attacked.
to join BJP.
Workers are being
I
tortured.
don't mind for
Already
that.
Belaghatte, you have seen their diet. They
For
killed
their
also.
safety they may.
They are
Today they
threatening
will
to
be,
rape the
tomorrow
women.
they may
Can
not.
you imagine a party?
So
Who
now
are
we
ruling the
have
central
decided that
Can they do like this? Can they behave like
against
this?
of election commission
Even
or
I must
the,
say that when
uh,
judiciary is not there,
what mechanism
when
they have
election commission is biased,
used,
when government of India wants only one party
our
rule,
strategy will
then
not
how the people
let
will
you
get
know
justice?
now. That
It
we
is
will
the same
discuss later on.
for everyone.
We are taking action.
The wrong message is going to the world
But what action?
that you cannot
That
fight
required discussion.
democratically.
That's
all you
why
are capturing
our
forcefully.
confidential strategy
And
we
narrative
are
and
not
negative.
going to disclose.
You have enough money.
This is number one.
Betting management.
Number two,
So
we have
We'll bounce
decided
back.
to set up
We
a
will fight it out.
finding committee
we only want to request you.
with
Don't
10
show us, but please see that
members.
atrocities is stopped.
along
It
with
should be our
5
request to all of you.
MPs
Because you media
and
is also,
others.
I know I don't blame
They
the
will
journalists.
visit all
but
the
they control the
tortured
media.
area.
So reality
Even
bites
they captured all
that
of
we
our
don't
party offices.
say the truth.
Even they
If you
went
don't
to
do
capture
don't
Trinamool
tell the
Bhavan,
truth,
our
then you have
headquarter
to
also
opt the
yesterday.
other way. So that message should go to everyone. Peacefully, but our voice. We have so many
Abhishek's office
systems.
also.
Nowadays, world is one.
They started this.
So we will be fighting for that. This is only our
brick,
at
big
present our
biting and all this.
present meeting up with the press, because I never met
Stone
him
biting,
yesterday
big
just with
biting,
the
what?
halla golla 1-2 minutes, because they are just touching me at that time. You have seen how they get out me. They didn't allow me even
Big biting.
to move freely. Even
Big
when I
batting.
was coming back, then also 20-30 CRPF, everybody will have the photo.
And
How they are thrashing me, how they are just
they
throwing me
should
out.
have realized
So
that if you
I will
want
thank
forcefully
again
also,
many thanks to মামাটি মানুষকে
There is
ধন্যবাদ
a
জানাই,
system.
জিন্দাবাদ জানাই, যারা আমাদের ভোট দিতে দিয়েছে।
we have enough
কিন্তু এদের
members
অত্যাচারের জন্য আপনাদের ভোটটা হয়তো
along
অনেক
with
জায়গায় আমরা
us.
রক্ষা করতে পারিনি, তার জন্য
They
আমরা
are
ক্ষমা প্রার্থী।
elected.
ক্ষমা যাদের চাওয়া উচিত তারা তো ক্ষমা চাইবে না, আমরা তার জন্য
You
ক্ষমা চাইছি।
cannot start torture
এইটুকু আপনাদের
like
বললাম, বাদ
this.
বাকি ডে টু ডে উই উইল ডিসাইড আওয়ার স্ট্র্যাটেজি।
If you torture with the
আপনাদের কোনো
people
কোয়েশ্চেন থাকলে 1 by 1 জিজ্ঞেস করতে পারেন। Yes.
along with my all the party workers and the
I am not
others,
going there.
all
Even if I
community,
want
caste,
also,
creed,
I should not.
religions.
बिकॉज मैंने चेयर को केयर नहीं करते हैं।
Please
I want to
understand
कंटिन्यू एज ए
when you won't
less
be
important
powered in
persons. I told
at
you so many
center
times. So I don't care chair.
within
I
a
only care people.
day, you have to face the same battle. History will repeat itself. It's a black history what happened for Bengal.
बंगाल में और थोड़ा ज्यादा हुआ
Yesterday,
कि हम
we
लोग जैसा फाइट किया
condemn the
इंची में इंची
attitude of the
इंची टू इंची,
Villain election
इतना फाइट हम
commission
लोगों ने किया जिंदगी मत को सामने रख के।
biased.
तब भी अगर हमारा फाइट तो बीजेपी का साथ नहीं था,
He
हमारा
has
फाइट था
done
इलेक्शन कमीशन का साथ।
everything. Even we
और
came to know,
अगर
I
इलेक्शन
do not
कमीशन
know
बेच
whether
जाए,
we are sure or
अगर
not, we are
जुडिशियरी से
collecting
कोई
information.
जस्टिस ना मिले,
The message
अगर इतना
came
लोगों
to
को
us
लॉजिस्टिकल नाम पे
from his
निकाल दिया
control
जाए,
office.
वन साइड
Delhi.
इलेक्शन ऑफिसर लोग काम करे, स्विच ऑफ कर दे,
hijack
ईवीएम मशीन
The
कैप्चर करे।
counting center
आप
also.
हमको बताइए, जब लोगों ने वोट देता है मशीन में, उसका चार्ज बैटरी
This is
चार्ज
most
40 का नीचे
unfortunate.
उतर जाता है।
This is not
लेकिन
only
1995
unfortunate.
कैसे हुआ?
I think that
कैसे हुआ? I
this
am raising the
message
question.
should go to everywhere.
Why they snatched our paper? Why they didn't allow our
So
counting
that
agent and me
people of
to
our people
attend the
are
counting?
staying all over the
Why
world.
they tortured the people and
Let the message
directly
should
with
go
the
to
help of
people.
CRPF and the election
So
officers?
let them know
They were threatening inside. I have seen. They were
the
threatening the arrow
atrocities.
in presence of me. But
ওরা
please
এমনি
remember,
জিতলে
I have every
আমার
document
কোনো
with me.
অভিযোগ
Because at
থাকতো
that
না।
time, I sent
জিততেই
all
পারে।
my information
নির্বাচনে
to
হার
Bengal CEO. First, I have written a letter, then they
কিন্তু
snatched
সেটা
this
তো
paper
নয়।
from me. Then
আমরা
I have
তো
written second
হারিনি।
letter to Aro at
জোর
about
করে
4 o'clock.
ফোর্সফুলি তুমি ক্যাপচার
They
করেছো
didn't give us
টোটালটা।
receipt, but not only with the
যখন
other
আমরা
candidates also.
প্রায় 200টা
But no
সিটে
justice.
গিয়েছিলাম।
When DO told me that, ममता जी, आप अपने एजेंट को बुलाइए,
मीडिया
वो तो
कैंपेने
पास ही नहीं है उसका पास, सब छोड़ के छीन लिया। हम बोला कैसे घुसेंगे? तो बोला हम पास बना देते हैं, आप बुला लीजिए। Then I said, okay, you give me 2 hours time so that I can call my
counting
people.
center.
I waited. Then our people came.
They didn't allow
CRPF
the
didn't allow
press
to enter.
media.
Number 2,
They
who are
didn't
there
allow the
present. I said,
CCTV
okay, who are not
footage.
present, I can sit as
They
a counting
didn't
agent.
allow the
That
candidate
cooperation
to
also
go
we can do.
enter.
Then they धक्का मार के हमको उधर से निकाल दिया।
How they
हमारा इलेक्शन एजेंट को
misbehave.
इतना मारा, काउंटिंग एजेंट को सबको मारा,
We don't have any
5-6 पार्टी को
respect
मारा।
for them. I'm sorry.
So they also complain.
The central forces
लेकिन
can
कंप्लेन
like
किसको करेंगे?
behave
वो तो
like
पूरा
this.
परचेज है ना, सेलेबल
I
कमोडिटीज।
have never seen.
यही हुआ
I have
बंगाल में।
seen
बंगाल का
Rajiv
असली
Ji's
चेहरा और कुछ
government.
अलग है, लेकिन जो
I have
चेहरा
seen
निकाला ये इलेक्शन
Manmohan
कमीशन,
Ji's
बीजेपी
government.
एंड गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया, ऑल
I
सेंट्रल
have seen
फोर्सेस का
Atolji's
एक
government.
जॉइंट ट्रायो
I have
कॉम्बिनेशन
seen
का
Vishnu
साथ हम लोगों को
Pratapji's
लड़ने पड़ा।
government. I have seen Devguraj's government.
এটা আমরা পার্টিতে ঠিক করব ভাই,
I
আমি
have
তো একা
seen
নই,
I.K. Gujral's
একটা পার্টি আমার
government.
সাথে আছে ফুল। আমরা আসামেও কালকে একটা
I
সিট
have
জিতেছি,
seen the
তারপরে
others
ওখানেও
also.
অত্যাচার করতে শুরু করেছে, সুস্মিতা দেব আমাকে জানালো।
But I have never
পরবর্তী
seen
স্ট্র্যাটেজি
this
আমরা পার্টিতে
type
বসে
of
ঠিক করব।
atrocities.
আপনারা টাইম টু টাইম জানতে
It
পারবেন
is
চিন্তার কোনো কারণ নেই।
atrocious, terrible.
কেন, কিসের জন্য? আমরা তো হারিয়ে নিজে যাবো।
There is no
হারলে আমি
limit
যদি
of
শপথ নিতে যেতাম
atrocities.
তাহলে আমি রেজিগনেশনটা করতাম। এখন তো কোয়েশ্চেন ডাজন্ট অ্যারাইজ।
If it is going on, I
জোর করে
think
দখল
their
করে
image will
যদি কেউ
be-
মনে করে যে আমি কি
worse.
রেজিগনেশন দিতে হবে, নো, নট দ্যাট।
It is already.
Now also I want to say that we didn't
They
lose the
cannot
election.
show their face.
It is their forceful attempt.
It is
to defeat
not
us.
the proper way of democracy.
Officially they may, through election commission, can
Democracy,
defeat us.
there is a courtesy.
But morally I am telling you that we won the
You have
election.
forgotten the courtesy. Torturing the people. And what do you want? That only
কি
one
বলেছিলেন?
party rule?
শুনুন,
lose
রাজনীতিতে
the
অমিত শাহ
country.
বলেছিলেন সবাইকে দড়িতে করে ঝুলিয়ে পেটানো
No
হবে। আগে তাকে
opposition,
জিজ্ঞেস করুন, তারপরে
nothing.
অভিষেক ব্যানার্জি উত্তর দেবে। আর প্রেসটা আমি করছি, অভিষেক
Nobody.
ব্যানার্জি করছে না। যার জিজ্ঞেস করার আমাকে জিজ্ঞেস করুন।
So this I want to say to all of you on record.
কোনো সন্ত্রাস হয়নি, সব মিথ্যে কথা। এনআইএ
And
থেকে শুরু করে
parties
একটা চকলেট বোম
already
ফাটালেও
we are
কতবার
solidly
355টা টিম পাঠিয়েছে বাংলায়। এখন হিউম্যান রাইটস কোথায়?
All
Civil
the
Rights Commission
party
কোথায়?
leaders are
উইমেন
working
কমিশন কোথায়?
together.
চিলড্রেন কমিশন কোথায়? কোথায়?
Though they are being
হচ্ছে
tortured,
কুম্ভকর্ণের
they
মতো
are
নাক
being
দেখে
attacked, their house
লজ্জা
is
থাকা
being
উচিত,
attacked,
নির্লজ্জ, বেহায়া।
their workers are being
और मीटिंग करके
tortured.
करेगा ये कोई
Already
हमारा पार्टी
Belagavi
बीजेपी का
have
माफिक
seen
नहीं है
that
जो
died.
इंस्ट्रक्शन देता है होता है।
They killed
हमारा पार्टी
also.
हमारा डेमोक्रेटिक
They
सिस्टम
are-
फॉलो करके करते हैं।
They are threatening to rape the women.
नहीं किया है कोई कैंडिडेट
Can you
साबोटेज को
imagine
भी
a
अपन को नहीं
party
कर सकता है।
Who are
आप
ruling
लोगों ने
the
सबसे
central
ज्यादा साबोटेज किया है
government.
फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग,
Can
फ्रॉम द
they
मॉर्निंग।
do like this? Can they behave like this? Even I must say that
এসব আপনাকে তো আমি স্ট্র্যাটেজি বলতে যাব না
judiciary
প্লিজ।
is not
Strategy will be discussed within our
When
party members,
election
but United
commission
Alliance is
is
for all the
biased.
political party.
when government of India wants only
So
one
thank you very much.
party rule.
सब आपको
Then
मिल जाएगा
how the
information. Wait,
people
wait,
will
wait and
get
see.
justice?
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.